In this ukulele tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to play some really cool R&B soul guitar tricks. You can use these on a lot of different tunes. If you enjoyed the last videos on the 6/8 blues strum, the practice session, the Oh Darling tutorial, then this video is going to be the icing on the cake. Please stick around because I'm going to break down everything for you in a beginner-friendly way. Let me demo it for you. Here I go. I'll teach in a moment. Oh, darling, please believe me, I'll never do you no harm. Believe me when I tell you, I'll never do you no wrong. Oh, darling. All right, so there's a lot of little things I'm adding to this. All these cool licks are going to be shown right here on the screen, but if you'd like to get a printable version of it, click the links down below. Join the Ukulele Zen community. There are so many benefits waiting for you as a member. There are links down below to a printable version of this very lesson. Now, the first lick is so cool, and you can use it on a lot of different songs because it's movable. And what I'm doing is I'm taking my A major shape, and I'm adding this melody to it. When I play that, I'm playing 2 strings at a time. Every melody note is accompanied by the string above it. And for extra soulful flavor, you can hammer into the notes. Now, the hammer-on can be a little tricky, and we'll cover this in a future video, but if you want to try it out, make sure you go slow, feel the hands settle, and then do it a little faster. Make sure you pause there and feel it relax. These kind of fills can be used on this shape when it moves up here to the D chord. See, it's the same exact thing. Of course, I have to refinger it a bit. So what I'm doing up here is using my first finger to bar at the 5th fret, ring finger at the 7th fret, lift it off, and now ring finger at the 7th fret, and then the middle finger comes in here at the 6th fret. If you add the hammer-ons, all right, it's a really cool sound. This is the kind of stuff that Jimi Hendrix used a lot in his rhythm guitar playing, and of course, the great rhythm guitar players of the soul era, thinking about Sam and Dave, Otis Redding, Motown players. This sounds so cool on a ukulele. Let's practice that A major lick together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 2. You can use fingers or thumb. Hammer or not. Now let's practice the lick of the D major chord. Again, you could use your thumb or your fingers. After each attempt, just soften up, take a break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 1, 2, 3. You see how it ends on the downbeat of the next measure. The material I'm sharing in this video is a bit more challenging, so please rewind it, review it, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. If you're enjoying this so far, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and I hope you'll subscribe to this channel, Ukulele Zen. And please sign my mailing list also so you keep in the loop of my upcoming ukulele events. The next lick I played was on E7. Now what I'm doing here is I'm taking these 2 notes of the E7 chord, the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, 2nd fret of the 1st string, and I'm pinching them. with these two fingers, you could use your thumb and index if you prefer. I slide up to the 4th fret, and then I pinch it again, so it's up. Feel a little relaxation in between. And if you'd like, you could fill in the space up to the 4th fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret. 1, 2, 3. Such a cool sound. Let's practice the lick on the E7 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And of course, for the E7 chord, there's a lot of different ways it can be played. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just get in the groove and do it your way. When I get to the F minor chord, I'm using the power of simplicity. Just go pulling it back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. After all this fancy stuff, it's nice to just go back to I'll never do you no harm. And here I go to my D major chord. You could play it like this, play it like this. And right here, of course, I hop up to the lick that we just practiced. When we get to the B minor chord, in the song Oh Darlin', we're playing a B minor 7 chord, but if we include the ring finger right here, we can add this nice walk down to the E7 chord. So we strum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every time I'm strumming and letting go, you see my hand float away. That's a good practice, just to really keep your hand in a graceful, light position. It also looks nice to an audience. And finally, we get to the walk up at the end of the progression. Now what I'm doing here is I am connecting the A major chord to a D major chord with this melody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. 2 short strums, and then the E7 sharp 5. Now the melody is played like this. Goes up and then down. Let's practice that again. What's nice is that the melody notes, many of them are inside of the chord. So you begin with a strum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, ho, darling. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy adding these licks to your playing today. Rewind, review. You've got this. Looking forward to making music with you in another video sometime soon. Happy jamming.